If you're running Google Ads, you probably know that bidding can get confusing fast. But today, I'm going to break down the main bidding strategies so you can get the most out of your budget without wasting a dime. First up, Manual CPC. This means you set the maximum amount you want to pay for each click. It gives you control but takes more time to manage. Ideal bidding strategy if you want to be hands-on and adjust bids by yourself. Next, Maximise Clicks. This strategy uses your whole budget to get the most clicks possible. Great if you want traffic but don't have specific conversion goals yet. If you care about actual sales or leads, Maximise Conversions is your friend. Google uses its data to get you the most conversions within your budget. It's fully automated, so you don't have to guess. Want to keep your cost per acquisition steady? Try Target CPA. You tell Google the average amount you want to pay for a conversion, and it optimizes bids to hit that goal. So, how do you pick? Here's a quick tip. If you like control and have time, start with Manual CPC. If you want Google to do the heavy lifting, go for Maximise Conversions or Target CPA. If you're focused on clicks and traffic, Maximise Clicks works well. Remember, no strategy is perfect. Test, watch your results, and adjust. Your budget will thank you. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.